Hi everyone. Today I'm diving into a fascinating connection between psychology and cybersecurity. Have you ever heard of Milgram's experiment? You know, the one where ordinary people delivered electric shocks just because someone in a lab coat told them to? Well, it's not just a quirky piece of history. It actually sheds light on why people fall for phishing scams. Milgram's experiment, conducted in the 1960s, aimed to understand how far people would go in obeying authority. Participants were instructed by an authority figure to administer shocks to a learner whenever they answered a question incorrectly. Spoiler alert, the shocks weren't real, but the participants didn't know that. Astonishingly, a majority of them continued to deliver shocks, even when the learner was apparently in severe pain, just because the authoritative figure told them to. Now, fast forward to today. The digital age has brought a new kind of authority figure, the email. Phishing scams exploit our tendency to follow instructions from perceived authority. These scams often come disguised as urgent messages from banks, employers, or even friends. Just like in Milgram's experiment, people follow these instructions without questioning them, often leading to disastrous consequences. Think about it. When you see an email from what appears to be your bank asking you to verify your account information, there's a sense of urgency and authority. Your brain goes into autopilot and you're more likely to comply without second guessing. This is exactly what scammers rely on, our natural inclination to obey perceived authority. So, what can we learn from Milgram's findings to protect ourselves from phishing scams today? First, always question the source. Just because something looks official doesn't mean it is. Take a moment to verify the sender's email address or contact the institution directly using a known, trusted method. Second, be aware of the urgency. Scammers often create a sense of panic to cloud your judgment. If an email demands immediate action, it's a red flag. Take a step back and think, is this really how my bank or employer would contact me? Lastly, educate yourself and others. Understanding how these scams work and sharing that knowledge can make a huge difference. The more we know about the tactics used, the better equipped we are to recognize and avoid them. In the end, Milgram's experiment shows us just how powerful perceived authority can be. By staying informed and cautious, we can outsmart the scammers and keep our information safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's talk about it at www.secureyourcircle.com.